Hi, I'm Elliot, a product demonstrator for Rubi Tools, and this is the DC-250 Python, our 1.5 horsepower electric cutter with the C3 Python cooling system. It has a set of wheels as well as foldable legs for easy transport. As with all of Rubi's electric table saws, the head can be moved to one end of the machine and then locked in place. And what's important about it being able to lock in place is that when the head is over on that end of the machine, this end is a lot lighter and therefore much easier to lift up. So it's easier to transport and it's easier to put in its standing position. Now, to lift up the other side, I'll unlock the mobile head again, move it up the machine, and then lift. Now that the machine is in a standing position, I want to talk about a couple of the features on the mobile head. To start with, we have the transparent splash guard, which is self-adjusting because if you leave it loose, it basically, because it has this curved shape, will slide on top of the tile that you're cutting and be in as low as a position as possible without getting in the way of the cut that you're doing. Now if we lift the transparent splash guard and we lock it in place, you can see the C3 Python cooling system, which is basically a hose that allows you to ensure that where the water is being directed is exactly at the point of contact between the blade and the tile. And this maximizes cooling, which protects the tile that you're cutting and elongates the useful life of your blade. A common problem with electrical wet cutters is that the water and the dust that can accumulate in the chassis can corrode the overall machine. But we have a long-lasting anti-corrosive paint that prevents this problem. Another important feature of this machine is the plunge effect, and that plunge effect allows us to adjust the blade to the thickness of the tile that we're cutting. We've just done our first cut with the CEV, which comes included with the machine. Now we're going to switch to the CPC for a miter cut.